population and its sample size to solve if they have heuristic.
Step 1. When we solve the NCR, you need a scientific calculator. In the scientific calculator, they have an NCR. To compute the NCR, first, in the calculator, write the N, which is the count of the population, which is 9. When you write the 9, second is write the NCR, and write the sample size, which is N. So, the result, 8C9 equal 9. In our target to know how many sample size we are get in the population. The NCR is 9.
Step 2. In the step 2, you need to write sample size. We'll select 9 numbers of population. The population is 89, 81, 80, 78, 77, 76, 73, 72, and 71.
Possible sample size will be 89, 81, 80, 78, 77, 76, 73, 72. 89, 80, 78, 77, 76, 73, 72, 71. 89, 78, 77, 76, 73, 72, 71, 81. 89, 77, 76, 73, 72, 71, 81, 80. 89, 76, 73, 72, 71, 81, 88. 89, 73, 72, 71, 71, 80, 78, 77. 89, 72, 71, 81, 80, 78, 77, 76. 89, 71, 81, 80, 78, 77, 76, 73. 89, 81, 80, 78, 77, 76, 73, 71.
In this sample mean you have to add all the sample size. Would you select and divide into how many live from population and right? So you need to add sample size. 89 plus 81 plus 80 plus 78 plus 77 plus 76 plus 73 plus 72 divide 8 equals 78.25. Round of the whole number 78.25 is equal to 76.
The lowest to highest number in a sample mix, which is
The probability of X, you need to write how many 77 in the sample mean. 3, right? So 3 over 9. 3 over 9 because in the 9 numbers, the 77 is 3. So 3 over 9. How many 78 in the sample mean? 6, right? So 6 over 9.
Next is to find the probability distribution. We need to add the all numerator in the probability. And when we add the numerator, next is we need to divide it into the denominator. So, 3 over 9 plus 6 over 9 is equal to 9 over 9. Hindi na natin gi-plus si denominator, ang gi-plus lang natin ay si numerator, which is si 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now, i-divide natin si 9 at yung over niya na 9. So, 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. So, the probability distribution on the sampling distribution with the population is 71, 72, 73, 76, 77, 78, 80, 81, and 89. The sample size is 8. The equals is 1.